Austin, you join. Dylan. Dylan. Admit Kelmer. Anyone who is left? Kelmer. You can add check. I already admitted you. There's no pending. What's it out? What's on that? Wait, there are two people. Nigel and Dinanath. Yes. Deal with it. The preventive maintenance is near to finish. Yesterday we already discussed about the routine maintenance. Then what are the different functions of routine maintenance? In that, lubrication, periodic inspection, adjustment of various parts, cleaning. Means if you do the routine things perfectly, then you will get analyzed easily and you can rectify the problem before any breakdown. And you can keep your spare also. This we already discussed. Then what is the planned maintenance and planned preventive maintenance? Scheduled maintenance is very variety of scheduled maintenance to object or item of equipment. Therefore, avoid any unscheduled breakdown and downtime if you do thoroughly your the routine maintenance. So maintenance schedules, there are different types of maintenance schedules are there. Any kind of any activities, there should be some procedure and sequence. Likewise, the maintenance also has some normal procedure to execute the maintenance activity without any confusion. Maintenance is not followed any procedure, there will be a time loss and the machinery equipment will not be ready in the time. So there the procedure guide and maintenance people how to start, execute, where and inspect, how to complete the maintenance in the time. The maintenance carried out with the following procedure. These are the steps you have to remember whenever you are doing any maintenance in features, any maintenance, preventive maintenance, routine maintenance. These are the steps you have to follow. First, you need to clean up the machine. If there is a machine is going under production, anything, maybe dust, maybe mining, maybe fiber, maybe food production related, maybe pharma related, there will be a some foreign matter means whatever you are doing the machine, there will be a dust, anything, grease, that you have to initially clean up, identify the fault, dismantling. Identify the fault means what exactly happened to the machine. Then dismantling, you have to dismantle it. Again, you have to inspection. Identify the cause of for defect. The problem identify correct. Inspection and replacement or repair of spare. That decision you have to take at that time. If inspection and replacement and repair of the spare is possible, or you need to replace with a new one. Again, you have to reassemble the same. Reassemble means एक open केलं assemble कर. Assemble ना करना मरे. Assembly and disassembly means everyone understand. Assembling करो अपना जोड़ो. Disassembling करो अपना dismantle करो. You have to reassemble back. Trial run. And once you all operation done, repairing केलं, reassemble केलं, you have your duty is to take the trial of that machine. Trial मध्ये चालू करून पळो by your own before handing over to the production department. Then inspection with the standard ones. You have to do the operation check with standard one and maintaining the records. Finally, you have to maintain the record. What is replaced? What type of oil you replace? At what time you given the machine to the production? This is very important steps you have to remember. Okay, initially then this is a they have segregated. literal data from the machine manual. This every machine there will be a book manual, and you have to follow that book manual. Then preventive maintenance. What is the need of preventive maintenance? We discussed so many things. Advantage of preventive maintenance, function of preventive maintenance, department, periodic inspection of machine equipment as per the checklist. This checklist the company have to provide you. Every time preventive maintenance you have to do this. Go along with the checklist. Maintenance record analysis, preventive maintenance program. Now today we'll see what are the checklists. See, this is the one checklist is given here. Preventive maintenance program, name of the machine number. You can see now. Name of the machine. Suppose lathe machine or lathe machine. Machine number, lathe machine number 1, 2. There will be a number. Location of the machine, where it is located in footer section. Annexure 1. Model number and make. What is the model number and make means what? Can anyone tell me? Huh? Model number means any product having model number. What is make means what? Huh? Oh, the model number. What is make? Make like any now whatever you buy now, there is a make and model number asta. TV गेली, fridge गेली, asta काय ना? Make means which brand, कोणची company. But which brand this mobile? Which company? Realme, Samsung. That on that sheet, annexure 1, there should be everything should be there. Detail. Yes, this is basic. Hero Honda bike. Make kunchi. Hero Honda. A company now. Model number. So and so number. Pocket after. Basic now checklist from the machines. Even all machines in drilling machine there is a name. Now after. Make after the company. And model number after. Our lathe machine HMT. Check HMT and Burla. Now go and check today afternoon. Drilling machine also you find out which make it. Drilling machine. Okay, this is the checklist for the machine inspection. Now, when you are going to inspection of your machine, in a company with a checklist, inspect the following items, pick appropriate column and list the remedial measures for the defective item. A checklist because this is the item to be checked. Item to check the mic. You just watch that what is there. Take the sheet out read my purpose. Item to be checked. Good working satisfactory means first chalta or satisfied level that you write down. Defective, if there is any defect in that, have you noticed that you write down on that. And remedial measures. Remedial measure means what correction you done. If there is breakdown, that you have to write down. See, first level of the machine. Machine ground as check. Is it good working, satisfactory, you write yes. Defective aslela, yes, but now no. Then remedial measures. Defective yes, answer defective measure. What you have to replace, what you tighten, that you tighten. Next, belt and extension. Drilling machine belt up. Kit note down. Suppose satisfactory, good working, satisfactory. Defect, kit notice there will slightly wear out during the then what remedial measures? Replace with a new one. Bearing sound. Good working, satisfactory. Okay, okay. Good working, good working. Defective, no. After defective. Defective S remedial replace with a new bed. That you write. This is the way the checklist is. Every machine has a checklist. A regular to check driving clutch and brake. Working, then defective, defective, S, replace no, not divide, no divide. Exposed gear. Exposed gear means all the gears open as the thing. Rotate right as that. Think in a problem, you have to note down that. Working in all feeds. So good gear of the chalta na check. Accumulate machine so good gear of the chalta na that gear chalna that is all feed means that. Lubricant system or coolant system coolant working or not. Then carriage and its travel, cross slide and its movement. Cross slide, lift machine is an example. Then cross slide and its movement. Okay, tailstock, parallel movement. Tailstock, okay. And electrical controls. And last one is safety guard. असं आहे का हे सगळं safety guards and काढून dollar is not placed, then you have to write down here, put it into correct position. Asko बरोबर आहे तुम्हारे you write down where when you are working in the industry. तुम्ही हे तुम theory भी काय नाही हे तुमका सांगता additional knowledge असतं. We are not learning here only for to pass down certificate घेऊन असतो. दुपार किती काम आते आम्ही everyday तुमको सांगायचं काम मागे कळलं हे तुम theory तुम इथे पास होता काय ना but this is the knowledge you have to and you have to go in the working in the industry हे कहो पाय नाम को बोलना मोड़ पाय understood. So inspected by कोणी केलं ते की sign केलं then signature name and date signature of the inch then you are going to submit to the supervisor manager of my sign. So next is breakdown maintenance and preventive maintenance. The differentiate is given here. What is the breakdown maintenance, preventive maintenance? Maintenance is undertaken only after breakdown. Motor breakdown maintenance. Preventive maintenance is undertaken only breakdown before the breakdown. Preventive maintenance. No attempt is made to prevent breakdown. Maintenance is made to prevent breakdown. See, this is an unpredictable activity. This is a predictable activity. Maintenance costs less. Here, maintenance costs less. The cost of maintenance is high in preventive maintenance. Not suitable for equipment like cranes, horse, pressure vessels. Breakdown maintenance can be applied to all type of preventive maintenance. You can apply anywhere. Results in production loss and more downtime if there is a breakdown. Here, such disadvantages are eliminated. Now, reactive maintenance. What is the reactive maintenance? The oldest maintenance approach is reactive maintenance. Equipment is not repaired or replaced until it breaks. कोई एक system अशी असली की पुढच्या मशीन हात लावून it has to be run continuously unless it is breakdown. Because mold करना तक हाथ लाओ. It's older thing. आज चुके बहुत कुछ डालता है. We have to take care lot of things change. But the reactive maintenance is the oldest maintenance approach in reactive. When look at element, equipment is not repaired or replaced until it breaks. The mold shut and हाथ लाओ. तो oil से कवर आता है तो गालवादा नहीं तो से क्या तो गालवादा. Mold से हाथ लाओ. There are certain things that there थोड़ी machine असं unless they are break कोण हाथ लाओ. Because nobody tech repair को कोण कळणार नाही. तर तसे असतात. मोटर नाही कोण आपण आडते करतात. Then in this maintenance equipment fails with a little or no warning, so this could be down until replacement parts arrive, resulting in income loss. Ashkon chalala, there is a loss in the income. Suppose that machine manufactured from a German company, and if you not open it and suddenly it gets break, then if you want to replace that part, you have to get it from the German. Time so there is no production, income loss. So in this maintenance cost and downtime increase and also creates safety issue. Reactive maintenance can be suitable in some situations such as for a non-critical and low-cost equipment with little or no risk of capital loss or production loss. First situation I think anything so non-critical machine cost of equipment very less and little no risk of capital loss nothing. Importance breakdown maintenance, preventive maintenance, and productivity. This is an important effective maintenance program cannot be overlooked because it plays such important role in effectiveness and lean manufacturing. As a personal healthcare insurance, maintenance may be considered healthcare and manufacturing operation business as service operation. Cost of the routine maintenance is very small when it compared to the cost of the major breakdown, at which times there is no production. Same thing. Purpose of maintenance to important use of this routine maintenance is to ensure that all equipment required for production is operating at 100% efficiency at all time. So our duty is always be there. We have to keep the machine efficiency should be 100%. मशीन चलपाची ते एफिशियन्सी 100% असतो हे आमगे मेन गोल कळलं 50% एफिशियंट चलपाना फुल कॅपॅसिटी युटिलाइज करता सो मेन वॉट इज मेन कितें इम्पॉर्टंट रुटीन मेंटेनन्स इज टू एन्श्योर दॅट ऑल इक्विपमेंट रिक्वायर्ड फॉर प्रोडक्शन काडपाक जाय ती is operating ती चलपा जाय in 100% efficiency at all times. If it is 24 hours running company means full 24 hours running chalta. There is no breakdown, means there is no night shift because night. It's running for full 24 hours. In this case, our duty is to keep all machines in production 100% efficiency. Through short delay inspection, the cleaning, lubricating, and making small adjustments, small problem can be detected and corrected before they become major problems that can shut down our production. A good maintenance program requires company-wide participation support by the everyone ranges from the top executive to the shop floor person. From the top management to the lower working employee, it has to participate. Preventive maintenance, we have already seen this, not taking this.